Hello everybody! Who are we talking about today? Mercedes and Audi. Two world-famous car companies, high safety, with many luxury car segments that are widely sought after by consumers. A safety test before mass production of the Audi. Strong collisions have a significant impact on the body of the car. The most important thing is to test the safety for the driver. The driver of this car moves at extremely high speeds when going uphill. There is no vision ahead, causing the car to plunge straight into the open field. The incident has caused severe damage to this car. What's with this power pole that both cars want to hit it? A car in a serious accident was captured by the camera from the motorcyclist. Two people in the vehicle were assisted to get out in good condition, though the car was badly damaged. This Audi has suddenly lost control and crashed into a parked car, then into the flagpole. Now, on a busy road, especially at intersections, we should slow down to avoid unfortunate accidents. Another accident caused by lane change. The sewer on the road is not installed properly. Some very unlucky cars have hit it. Rainy roads with a long line of cars, and this car suddenly sped up, making the driver unable to react. The weather was quite bad, but we're still running at high speeds, and this will be very dangerous. Seems the back Audi has hit the car from behind. The car has lost control on the road. Luckily, no accidents have happened. This driver has hastily changed lanes, causing himself, well, money. A car show with quite a large audience. The driver did not handle that well, causing the rear wheel to have a big problem. Roundabouts are always a nightmare, especially for those at high speeds. In this case, the Audi driver is holding a knife skewer to the truck tire due to a slight collision that occurred on a congested roadway. He ran back into the car, and the helpless truck driver is trying to find a way to solve the problem. This Audi car has a slight collision with two cars, then quickly flees. The Mercedes has just changed lanes to the main road and was hit by the fast-moving car. Some accidents are caused by bad drivers. The Mercedes is spending money to fix his own car. The driver who wants to test his driving skills to what extent? Or is he just looking to spend some dollars? The shell, along with the wheel, had a big problem, and the car was rescued to take to the repair shop. This SUV who has ran the red light. Did we just see a Mercedes hit the fire truck? We're learning to ride a new style of motorbike. Thank you for your interest in watching the videos. Please remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Thank you and bye-bye.